Oh, hey!
Hey guys! Didn't even see you there!
Welcome back. Episode 3 of
Better Homes, Better Meals.
out of this month's magazine
Kimchi Salsa.
to go with,
Our avocado margaritas.
which we're still drinking and they're still very
They
delicious.
are very delicious, yeah.
Right, well, we've got some ingredients to go through with everybody. We've got 1 cup of kimchi, 1 cup of chopped tomato, chopped, not diced.
I don't know what the difference is.
1/2 cup of chopped green onion, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. A lot of chopping going on.
Yeah, we did a lot of chopping.
A tablespoon of Korean barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce.
There we go.
Because I don't know how to say the other word on the recipe.
Gochujang?
We're gonna go with sriracha sauce.
All right.
All right, Claire, what are the steps involved with making our kimchi salsa?
Well, in addition to preparing everything,
A lot of chopping going on.
we had to drain our kimchi out and save and reserve some of this kimchi juice
Kimchi
for
juice.
later in the recipe.
Yep.
So we need a medium bowl.
I'm gonna get us a medium bowl.
Oh, I already have us a medium bowl.
You got one.
You think that's large enough?
We're gonna go with it.
We are going to combine the kimchi, the tomatoes, the green onion, cilantro, barbecue sauce, and the reserved, drained kimchi liquid juice.
Basically everything we just said, we're combining it all together.
Just about. It's kind of like the last recipe.
But first, another sip of our avocado margarita. Now let's get down to it. In there.
Chopped kimchi in the
Check.
medium bowl.
Green onion, chopped in the medium bowl.
Nice.
Nice.
Chopped, not diced, tomatoes in the medium bowl.
It is the cilantro.
The
medium bowl. A tablespoon. We are actually gonna just eye it up.
You know what? Spin
Real cooks.
eyeballers.
Real cooks eye it up. That's enough!
Ah, that's too much, that's too much.
Kimchi juice.
So the ginger was optional.
But we're go-getters.
We are.
So we are going to
Go-getters.
use the ginger.
Yeah, go big.
Drop it in that medium bowl.
And yes. Okay.
Just gotta
We're
mix
gonna
it.
mix this.
Just gotta
We're
mix it.
gonna mix this.
Mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it.
As Ariana Grande once said, mix it and mix it and mix it. Should I do the honors?
Mix it up.
All right.
Ooh.
Ooh. I need a professional mixer.
Spare change.
We should have a mixer, like a mixer.
Like a mixer mixer.
A mixer.
It's a mixer mixer.
You guys are invited to our mixer.
All right, we got a plate full of tortilla chips. Use whatever brand you love the most. And we're just going to serve this kimchi salsa up right over the top of it.
Last time I did this, I spilled all over the floor. All right.
Yeah, look at that.
Ooh.
Yum.
Yeah, pick your chip. If anybody knows the strategy.
It is.
Chip.
It is.
But that was the wrong chip.
Oh, you got nothing.
Hold on.
Mmm. That is delicious.
This might be my favorite yet.
This is my new go-to appetizer to take
That's
to
really easy.
any type of party.
Well, the good news is you've got a lot of kimchi left. We'll be making more of this.
Oh, Kimchi Salsa, June edition of Better Homes and Gardens magazine.
I think you're gonna have to try this one.
Enjoy it.
All right.
Jeff, come try this.